If your Google Pixel hotspot isn't working or keeps disconnecting, you're in the right place. Let's fix it step by step. Before starting, make sure you have a stable mobile network. Hotspot requires active mobile data. Also make sure mobile data is on. Weak signals can prevent hotspot sharing. Solution 1. Turn the hotspot off and on again. Go to Settings on your device. Then tap Network and Internet. Now tap Hotspot and Tethering. Next, turn off Wi-Fi hotspot. Wait 10 seconds. Then turn it on again. This refreshes the hotspot service. Solution 2. Disable data saver. Go to Settings on your Pixel phone. Then tap Network and Internet. Now tap Data Saver and disable Data Saver. These features can silently block hotspot sharing. Solution 3. Reset hotspot password and band. Incorrect settings can block connections. Open Settings on your Pixel phone. Now tap Network and Internet. Then tap Hotspot and Tethering. And tap Wi-Fi hotspot. After that, change the password and make sure speed and compatibility is set to 2.4 and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band is more compatible with older devices. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your Pixel hotspot working again. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Pixel fixes. Thanks for watching.